Hello everyone, my name is Sally Science, and I love it when you ask questions about the world around us for us to explore together. And today, I have a question that I have been salivating over for a long time. Ha! Good one, Sally! I want to know, how do we taste things like cupcakes, or lemons, or french fries, or broccoli, or my personal favorite, cheese? I'm pretty hungry for an answer, so let's stop the tongue wagging and get on with it. Oh, Sally, that was a zinger. Okay, to understand how we taste all the things, we have to talk about our tongue, our brain, and even our nose. What? Crazy, right? Let's start with our tongue. You can try this all at home. Look in the mirror and stick out your tongue. Do you see that the tongue is covered in small bumps? Those small bumps are your taste buds, also called papillae. Their job is to take in chemical information from the food that we eat and then send that information to your brain along your nerves. Your brain then decides how something tastes and if you like or don't like what you're tasting. How cool is that? Our brains also decide what something tastes like. Crazy, right? Our brains choose between 5 main types of taste: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami, which scientists think gives us a sense of savory, like what cheese or mushrooms taste like. Our sense of taste is an adaptation that helps us to survive our environment. By tasting things, we help our brains decide if the things we are eating are good and nutritious for us or possibly spoiled and toxic for us. For example, an apple that tastes sweet is a good indicator that the apple is good to eat. And an apple that tastes sour or bitter may mean the apple is rotten and would be bad to eat. Ha! Talk about bad apples! Fun fact! Not all animals taste the same things because of the way they have adapted to their environment. Cats eat a diet of mostly protein, and therefore their tongues don't have the types of taste buds that can tell their cat brains they are eating sweet treats like fruits or candies. Just like our taste buds, our noses also help us learn what might be safe for us to eat and what might be dangerous to eat. Ever get a whiff of the garbage before it goes outside? Whoopee-you! Your nose is telling your brain that the garbage would be disgusting and harmful for us to eat. Now imagine a savory supper is simmering on the stove and bread is baking in the oven. Can you picture it? Now take a deep breath and smell those wonderful aromas. Do you notice that you start to get a little hungry? Do you feel like you could almost taste it? That's because when we smell things, our nose talks to our brain and says,
"Hey up there, us nose folks just wanted to let you know to get ready for some deliciousness to eat."
And your brain tells the salivary glands to make more liquid in your mouth, called saliva. Saliva has a very important job. It helps us swallow and digest the food we eat. Another fun fact. Our bodies produce about 2 liters of saliva a day, and that amount could fill this whole soda pop bottle. How crazy is that? Thank Thanks so much for learning about taste with me today. If you like this taste adventure or have a question that you would like to explore together, leave your question in the comments below, and I would love to hear them. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the questions we explore. Take good care of each other, friends, and this is Sally Science signing off.